Hindi nila binilang ang Davao. Bacolod is badly hit now. And I place Espenido there. Yung tinatakutan nila na police. Sabi ko, go there and you are free to kill everybody. Tangina yan. Ko, start killing them. Ako nang dalawa na tayong papriso. Ilan lang yan? Ilang anak? Pag alis, iiwan sa kapitbahay, iiwan sa pinsan, iiwan sa kapatid, iiwan sa best friend. Oh, how do you think the Filipino, by the next generation, what would be the face of the Filipino? Shabu, wag na tayo magbulan. Just look at the crawler. Every day yan, araw-araw, shabu, shabu, shabu.